One thing we see at most automotive companies that develop software is the coexistence between model-based development with code generation and handwritten C code. But how to handle both in an efficient way?
Yeah.
Today I'm happy to be at the CES show with my colleague Markus Gross from Berlin, and we are happy to talk about this.
Yeah, and we see that historically MBD teams and Handcode teams, they often have different tool chains, but at the same time now we see, and that's also what we see here at the CES, that a lot of companies try to harmonize and try to standardize their tool chains, right?
Yes, exactly. Yes, and we just made a video about it, so just make sure to watch it. But what is the differences between these two approaches?
Well, of course, first things, the IDE is different. While Simulink Stateflow being the de facto standard for MBD, we see that on the Handcode side now a lot of customers start to adopt VS Code, right? So this is from the development environment the first difference.
True, but if we look from the test perspective, we can see a lot of similar needs. In both worlds, we need to identify the test interfaces, analyze code coverage, manage test cases, and ensure ISO 26262 tool qualification.
Yeah, and let's not forget about probably two of the most complex and most painful things when trying to set up a tool chain, which is the integration with the CI, including reporting, etc.,
Yes.
and the integration with ALM, PLM tools like DOORS Polarion for the requirements traceability, including update, change, handling, etc.
So it sounds like there could be a lot of synergies applying the same test tools for a process doing model-based or handwritten C code.
Absolutely. So please get in touch with us if you want to discuss this in more detail, and please follow us on LinkedIn or YouTube for more videos.